Today I'm going to be turning this piece of wood. Going to try to get live edge vase out of it. We'll see how it works out. Hope you folks enjoy the video. Well, as with all the other pieces of wood that I turn, this one has some pretty deep cracks in it. This time I've decided to go ahead and fill them with some wood chips and some CA glue. Well, here I am at the end of another project. I lost some videos, so it doesn't show where I'm applying the clear boat varnish to the piece. But in all, it came out okay. I'm alright with it. Wife likes it. I guess that's what counts. Anyhow, if you folks made it this far into the video, totally appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for watching.